Your natural hair is good for church programs. Your natural hair is good for when you want to pick your kids at school.
Oh, wow.
Don't bring your natural hair to my event. If I'm going to church, it's okay. Do you get what I'm saying? If I'm going to pick my, maybe going to play with my niece, it's cool. If I'm in my house, it's okay. But why would I want to wear a nice ass dress, expensive dress, expensive heels? At least I'll do ponytail.
Do not let anybody, anyone, regardless of who that person may be, tell you what your natural hair should look like. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sure you've seen from the title what we're going to be talking about today. This is just a reaction video I decided to make. I don't usually talk about what people say and stuff like that, but this is very dear to me because I create natural hair videos and I try as much as possible to push positive thoughts, positive energy around natural hair as much as I can. So watching this video, and I don't know who the person is, honestly, and I just know she's a black person, but I just stumbled upon the video on YouTube and I decided to say one or two things about this. This is what we're trying to phase out of the natural hair community, because growing up we were always told that natural hair was not beautiful. It was difficult, it was hard to maintain, you can do this, you can do that with it, da 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 da. We're always told that. So she would not be the first person to be saying such a thing. I'm sure you agree with me. Let me know in the comment section if you've heard some of these negative things about your natural hair while growing up. It's always easy to lash on people because she came on air to say such, and that was why everybody was jumping on it. But growing up, a lot of us have had such things from maybe friends, relatives, parents, hairstylists, most of the time hairstylists, because you go there with your natural hair and they are looking like, what's this? I can't deal with this. So we've been told that it's no new news. It's not new. But I would think that in this new era, in this time of information, where we're trying to, pass a positive message, change this negative narrative from what it used to be. So you would think that a lot of us get it, like at least to a certain extent, we get the point. But still hearing some of this, and from a black person, if we were to be from some other races, you would think, okay, it's normal. It's not normal, but we're used to it, like I'm used to it. But coming from a black person, it's kind of not so normal. It's not the usual. So, but like I said, we've all been told that when we're growing up, one way or the other, indirectly or directly. We've all been told that. So it's not a new news. One thing I just wanted to come out here to say is that we shouldn't be moved by that. She's entitled to what she wants to say. And I don't want to talk about her, whatever. But I want to talk about general negative narratives surrounding natural hair, which is not supposed to be so. In my own opinion, I feel if many of us still come out to share our experiences, wear out our natural hair, appreciate our natural hair, some of these people will begin to learn. That is the reason why I come up here each and every time to show you guys how I care for my hair personally and how my hair has been progressing. And I also like to let you people know that if you don't start appreciating your hair, if you don't start loving your hair for what it is, you're not going to see the growth that you're looking for. You're not going to even be able to be confident to wear out your hair. For Christ's sake, this is the hair growing out of your scalp. So why would someone tell me that what grows out from their scalp is not good for certain areas? Like, guys, this is on your head. These hairs are on your head. Are you going to cut off your neck just so you don't show out your hair? Like, please. So because they've already, adapted to the use of wigs, extensions, there's an option. And that is why a lot of people feel that, oh, why do I have to wear my natural hair? I can as well just cover it up with a wig. But like I said, everyone is entitled to their own opinion. So I'm not talking down on anybody. All I'm trying to say is that please, please, please don't be discouraged. So if you're just starting on your natural hair journey, these are the kinds of things that can put one off and make you feel as if you're wasting your time. But trust me, you're not wasting your time. You're appreciating what God has given to you. The hairs on our head are numbered. Do you know what that means? Like, do you know what that means? If only you knew. For you to start seeing your hair for what it is, for what God has created it to be, is to first change your mindset. And until we all change our mindset, it's going to continue going like that, like that, like that. But it's so sad to hear these kind of things, because we think that growing up, okay, that era has phased out, and as blacks or people of color with African hair, natural hair, we would appreciate our hair more than our parents did or back in the day, so that the new generations that are coming up, the younger generations coming up, will not pick up on that negative, vibes. Another thing I would like to say is that what you project, like if you already projected something to be bad, everything you're going to see around that thing is going to be bad. There's no two ways about it. Everything you see around that thing is going to be bad, because your mindset is already focused on that. That is bad. You will never see any good thing about that thing. So the first thing to change is the mindset. As many of you that are watching me right now, love your hair, embrace it. It's beautiful. Trust me, it's beautiful. Like, I've missed out so much of my hair growing up. If I knew all the things that I know now, how to care for my hair, how to grow my hair, like, guys, I don't know, probably I'll be at butt length or knee length, I don't know. But please don't be moved by talks like this. Don't let yourself be discouraged. Just take it as one of those things. Of course, it's what it is. We must just allow people to say what they want to say, but you yourself promise yourself that none of these things will move me, like Paul the Apostle said. Yeah. So that is it, guys. My reaction, it was not pleasing, but I can't judge, because we don't know what she was thinking when she said that, or her experience why she said that, which is no excuse, but I like to cut people some slack, since I'm not in their head. That will be all for today's video. It's a short one, but out with the message I needed to pass out there. That's your natural hair. It's God-given to you. Don't let anyone tell you or define what your natural hair should be for you. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.